place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be much breathing tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no heart or sorrow. There are ways to get there. If you can't enough for anything, make a little space, make a better place in the world.